about the parts of a hyperbola. We all know that hyperbola is an essential section formed by the intersection of the double cone with a plane surface, but not significantly at the center. A hyperbola is symmetric along the conjugate axis and shares many comparisons with the ellipse. So, here an illustration of hyperbola with some of its parts. To learn further, let us study and learn about the different concepts and parts of hyperbola with a graph. Mauni siya kani the graph. Using the demonstration, a hyperbola holds two axes of symmetry, and these are transverse axis and the conjugate axis. The transverse axis can be found here. Kani siya. Kani. Unja ang conjugate axis kaning y-axis. Man sila. It also possesses two foci and their coordinates are C0 and negative C0. The first focus kay makita nato in this part kani sila. Man sila first focus since transverse axis is horizontal. Well, the second focus in this part pod ganhi. Kani sila may first, kani may second. To get the first focus, we must use the Pythagorean theorem. Man sila formula. Formula na sila Pythagorean theorem. The midpoint of the line connecting the two foci is the center. Man is the center sa hyperbola. And it can be found here. Danhi. Man is the center na. Ayan. Hyperbolas possess asymptotes, which are straight line crossing the center that approaches the hyperbola but never touches, and we can find the asymptote in these two parts. Kani and asymptotes. Kani. To draw the asymptotes of the hyperbola, just sketch and extend the diagonals of the central rectangle. Well, the latus rectum of hyperbola is a line formed perpendicular to the transverse axis, the hyperbola, and it is crossing through the foci of the hyperbola, and this is the latus rectum. Ano din nato makita ang latus rectum ang mga part. Kani. Ay ko pinasay. The equation on getting a latus rectum is b squared over a. Mani formula para makuha nato ang latus rectum. Kani siya. Important things that must remember. The range of the major axis of the hyperbola is equal to 2e units. Kani siya. 2e units. Well, the width of the minor axis of the hyperbola is 2b units. Kani. You should remember na ang A is the length of the semi-major axis and B is the length of the semi-minor axis.